Hello everyone, myself Dr. Tapan Talundar. In today's class, we are going to discuss about the coherence theory of truth. In this class, I will focus on the introduction of this theory, the various versions of the coherence theory of truth, and arguments for coherence theory of truth, as well as the critical points that can be raised against this theory of truth. According to this theory of truth, the truth of any proposition consists in its coherence with some specified set of propositions. Here, proposition is not used in any technical sense. It simply refers to the bearers of truth value. A belief is true just in case to extend that it coheres with a system of others' belief. According to this theory, truth condition of proposition consists in other proposition, but according to the correspondence theory of truth, the truth condition of proposition are not propositions but rather objective features of the word. Both coherence and correspondence theories hold that truth is a property of proposition that can be analyzed in terms of sort of truth condition propositions have and the relation propositions stand into this condition. The main purpose of coherence theory of truth is to rule out the radical skepticism and avoid the problems of correspondence theory of truth. Spinoza, Kant, Fichte, Bradley, etc. are the supporter of this theory. There are various versions of this theory of truth. According to some early version, the coherence relation is simply consistency. On this view, to say that a proposition coheres with a specified set of propositions is to say that the proposition is consistent with the set. But this account is unsatisfactory because two propositions which do not belong to a specified set may be consistent with a specified set and yet be inconsistent with each other. The main arguments in favor of coherence theory of truth is the metaphysical argument. According to this argument, coherence theory were associated with idealism. This theory was adopted by a number of British idealists in the last year of 19th century. Spinoza, Kant, Hegel, etc. are the supporter of this argument. The second version, the second argument that can be raised in favor of coherence theory of truth is the epistemological argument. According to this argument, a set of belief is the test of truth. The truth cannot consist in correspondence. Another epistemological argument for coherentism is based on the view that we cannot get outside our set of beliefs and compare proposition to objective facts. There are a number of critical points that can be raised against this theory. One very serious criticism is that coherence theories have no way to identify the specified set of propositions without contradicting their proposition. This objection originates in Bertrand Russell. Opponents of the coherence theory can argue as follows. The proposition John Austin was hanged for murder coheres with some set of propositions. Second, John Austin died in her bed coheres with another set of propositions. No one supposes that the first of this proposition is true in spite of the fact that it coheres with a set of propositions. The specification objection suggests that coherence theories have no ground for saying that one is false and second proposition is true. The another objection from transcendental point of view can be raised. The transcendence objection suggests that a coherence theory of truth is unable to account for the fact that some propositions are true which coheres with no set of beliefs. According to this objection, truth transcends any set of beliefs. The logical objection can be raised against this theory. According to Russell, any talk about coherence presupposes the truth of the law of logic. For Russell, to say that two propositions cohere with other is to presuppose the truth of the law of non-contradiction. But coherentism has no account of the truth of law of non-contradiction. So these are all about some brief idea about coherent theory of truth. Thank you.